Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm explain render token. So what is render token and how about this what is render token? Render token is now priced $2. So what is render token? So now going to explain. And render token price live data, and render token price today is 2.01 USD with a 24-hour trending volume and 1918 million US dollar. We update to our render to price USD prices real-time rate. Render token is up to 6.0.1% in the last 24 hours. The cryptocurrency coin market cap ranking is 51%, 51 ranking with a live price crypto market $7 million. It has creation supply 360 $100 is the current max of supply of the firm render token. If you would be like to know where to buy render token is the current rate and the top cryptocurrency exchange render token is top cryptocurrency currently Binance, BTC X and Coin W, Deepcoin and the Bitrue. You can find others listed to cryptocurrency exchange price. What is render? So guys, what is render? Render token is the distribute of GPU rendering in network, but one of the top cryptocurrency blockchain aim of contract. Artists of studies in need and GPU and complicate power with the mining partnership, while in rent their GPU and capability out of conservative from 2009 by OTO and Inch CEO Julius R. Urban would batch with the launch in 2017. Render held in Fitka public token sale in October on that same year, followed by the private sale of period of lasting in the from January 2017 to 2018, May 2018, where whatever the total of render were sold on price of one render use 0.25 USDT environment of token. During the private sale period, an early adopter were on board and into the render beta testnet, and there were beta node operate and the artist work collaborator with this render three-man building in the testnet render up until the public launch of the April 2022. How does work? Render is the ERC20 annuity token used by artists of the network. Example, eGPU complete the power of the GPU provider not operate. Render is annuities combined mutual of the automatic proof of a system of the clause of the render proof, and in order verify all others. All other token has been successful. Render pure of the payments disable and art release. Units of the instant service project security property to a Ethereum blockchain property asset to held on once upon a time and sent to node pre-smelt and for rendering all render payments in the storage during the render and are realized to node operate upon a manual modification by the commercial is the artist of the Ethereum successful work to prevent and malicious across the growth of user base. All asset render run to the network of the watermark made unit until payment is successful and disbursed upon while time in environment, and the render of the by downloaded and all project in held escrow until manually verified of the being costly and rendered. About render backed by parents company OTO Y, and the render team is based out of Los and Angeles with member of throughout of the world. The render asset advertised board of the board industry in the identity and leader such as the Edi Enamul is co-founder of the co-CEO WMBE, and JJ Amnes, Chairman and CEO Bad Robot Products, and Bartnett, which founder of the CEO, Brave Software, and the BAT, who are all advertised and R&DR and the various components of the bridge and the gap between security in the system of the Apples to both cryptocurrency communication and the Hollywood studio product pipelines. So our most recent article is render token. What is render token? Render network. So what is render network? So guys, CoinMarketCap, this is the render token symbol. Okay, render is a decentralized render platform with a concept and system who require GPU computer power of the provider and access the computer put at the mainly in AI visual reality and the media concept creation. Render network is the pricing model to dynamic and competitive talking into access of complex, urgent, and the available resource. Render distribute the job workplace available GPU provider access to the peer-to-peer network on the render token in centralized node of provide access company power. The platform has expanded use case of artificial and intelligent gaming and the unique. What is render network? Render network is a decentralized global rendering platform and designed to the access address and growing demand of GPU and computing power and more power of the project, ensure more effective resource use of aims on cryptocurrency and access to the effective GPU. Therefore, the render network is distributed GPU based render jobs across to peer-to-peer network. The simplicity to project and rendering the streaming in virtual contact offer make their users to internet and with immediate 3D environment modes of coil and object, and render is the render token incentive node of the provide and their XML computer project. Use case and application is the render network include visual effect and motion graphics, virtual asset to non-fungible token, NFT and virtual production of while project mapping and product design and architecture simulator, and the virtual and render network also has emergency application in the augmented reality gaming and artificial intelligence. How does render network? Below in the is over in the technical functionalities in the render network of the in the rendering process. Job submission, contact creator submission rendering is job and render network along with the company in the data nuclear specifically has their job include complex 3D scenes and high resolution image and video and simulator of the GPU internet tokens. Basic meshing, the render network is a dynamic pitching model that takes into account in barriers and such as job of complex, urgent, and available resource. This model ensures the making is the create or receive competitive and the rendering service while competition and GPU provider fair and contribution. Job contribution. Job is once a job and submit once a job submit the network is distributed your workplace among and GPU providers. You can based on factor of as a GPU types and capabilities, geographical location of provider, reputation. A specific matching in algorithm ensure the job of are assigned and suitable provides maximum incentive allocates. The processing and verification. So select GPU provider provide as an rendering tech to and generate the requirement outputs. A truthless and validator system verified of the experiment the component of the render portfolio helping ensure the company content creator has received with has quality and result decentralized consumers algorithm like proof of render and the may also use safeguard and the rendering process with the malicious actors of the potential hero of delete. So guys, no more today. Next time chat with another new video. So love guys, bye bye.